You guys want to see a lovely way to start the morning? Well, let's say you're trying to use your $800 camera. It's not too expensive, but still it's expensive for me. And what happens when none of your SD cards are recognized? You see how right there, right on top of my face, it says no card and camera. Well, I'm gonna just open the door, and you can see there's an SD card in there. Let's try a different SD card, alright? This is the SD card that I had just put in. This is another SD card. They're both 32 gigs, so let's put it in. Hang on. And you can still see no card and camera. So what do I do? So after trying to dismantle it and trying a bunch of different SD cards, clearing all the settings and everything, I can't get it to work, which actually sucks because it's like almost a new camera. I've only had it for like a few months, so I have to send it in for repairs. I don't know how long that's gonna take, but it's not like I make content every day. I'm gonna get a quick shower before we leave so I can feel fresh, and then I don't know, just this is like the perfect spot for this camera in this car. I found the perfect vlogging spot.
Stop.
When you forget to pay your speeding ticket. So you pay it on the side of the freeway so you don't get a warrant. Nice one.
The total fine amount for this is $180.